You are so loud this morning. It's early. Nico, it's 5:30 in the morning. What? You're going to wake up Missy. Hey, everybody's sleeping. Yes. I don't even know what that was. What? Do you know everybody's going to come downstairs? You're waking them all up and you don't care, do you? What? Say that again. I don't know what that was. Say it again. Why are you crying? Do you want your breakfast? Oh, Nico.
Twinkie, 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 Stinky, Stinky, Stinky. Twinkie, 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 Stinky.